Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my room. Good morning guys! Gising na! Gising na kayo! So, dito na naman si Joyce Alvior para bigyan kayo ng masarap na pagkain or lutuin. Okay? So, welcome back guys sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So, for today nga, magluluto tayo ng masarap na breakfast or pwede na rin pang merienda. Okay? So, samahan niyo ulit ako sa aking journey of cooking. So, ang gagawin nating pang breakfast or merienda ay tatawagin kong bread or tinapay omelette. So, kakaibang gagawin natin ngayon guys kasi yung ordinary na sandwich, nasa labas guys yung tinapay. So, ang gagawin ko, nasa loob ngayon ang ating tinapay. Okay? So, let's start how to prepare this yummy breakfast or merienda. Okay? So, ang ating ingredients po ay so, of course, meron tayo dito cabbage and carrots para mas healthy ang ating omelette sandwich or omelette, ay bread omelette. And then, of course, meron tayong butter, and then cheese, and then onion. Then, meron din tayong, what do you call this? Ham, and meron din akong slice na bacon. And then, egg, of course, ang ating Reina, ang ating sliced bread or tasty, and then mayonnaise, and ang ating tomato ketchup. Okay? So, let's start how to prepare our omelette. Okay, so, painitin natin konti ang ating pan. Dito guys, isosote ko lang saglit ang ating vegetables. And dito, ito-toast natin ang ating bread. Okay, so, let's put our bread. So, gagawin ko siguro 4 lang na sliced bread. So, kung mas malaki kayong pan, much better, guys. And then, dito naman sa kaliwa, let's put butter. And then, put onion. Then let's put our carrots and cabbage. And then para magkalasa, lagyan natin ng konting pepper and of course salt. Potatoes. So, let's check naman dito sa ating kanan, ang ating tinapay o hindi pa. Hindi pa ganang na-toast. Pero, balik ta rin na rin natin. So, siguro guys, sa mga hindi nakakain ng gulay, baka ito na yung panahon para matry nila ang gulay dahil sa ating masarap na tinapay omelette. So, okay na to guys. And half cook lang. Lagyan muna natin sa plate. Set aside. Then, sa ating pan, yung pinag-anuhan natin, pinag-isan, lagyan natin ng butter. So, while melting the butter, guys, mag-beat tayo ng egg. 3 eggs. Ayan, fresh na fresh. Okay, so let's put our egg. Then, lagay na natin guys yung ating ginisang gulay. And then, let's put our toasted bread. Ayan, so medyo nag-ano na siya. Toasted. And then guys, let's put our ham. Then, meron din tayong bacon. Special to. Then, let's put our cheese. Let's put cheese. Cheesy! And then guys, last one na ilalagay natin, of course, ang ating mayonnaise. Okay, so spread natin dito sa ating tinapay. Flatten natin. Okay, and then cut natin ang ating egg into half. And then, let's flip guys. Okay guys, so hatiin natin half and then let's flip. Dahan-dahan. Ayan. Flip natin ang ating bread. Then, flip din the other one. Hindi mahirap. Ayan. Okay. Then, the remaining egg, lagay din natin dito. Para ma-coat din yung kabila. Okay, so baliktarin natin sa kabila naman para maluto. Yan, okay. Then, the other one. Okay. So, wait for a few minutes. Lutuin lang natin. And then, natin. All done guys. Easy to prepare. Prepare our tinapay or bread omelet. Okay guys, so okay na to. Yan, so lagay na natin. Tingnan nyo, coated ng egg ang ating bread. Okay? Okay, so let's put here sa ating lagayan. Yan. Then the other one. Okay guys, so drizzle muna natin siya ng ketchup na tapon. Yan. Okay, then the other one. Other one. Yan. Okay. Okay guys, so ito na ang aking finished product. Very simple to prepare but so yummy and magugustuhan po ito ng mga kids. Okay, so ang ating tinapay or bread omelette na kung saan ang tinapay ay naging palaman. Wow! Okay, so it's tasting time guys! Okay, so let's slice our omelette. Yan. So, tasting time. Ayan. So, gusto nyo? Oh guys, tikman nyo. Cheesy. Masarap to. Sarap. So this, it's your turn to try. Punong-puno ng sahog.
Lalo.
Punong-puno ng sahog. Andun yung sweetness na malalasahan mo din after kasi yung gulay, yung carrots, at saka yung repolyo. Okay? Yeah. Okay guys, so pinagpapawisan na ako. Mainit sa labas, sa loob, at sa loob. Okay guys, so try to prepare this omelette, bread omelette for your loved ones, for your breakfast or merienda, at pangbaon na din. And tiyak guys, kung ito yung pang breakfast nyo, gising lahat ang inyong kasamahan sa bahay or ang inyong kasama sa bahay. Okay? So try it to prove it. Okay? So thank you guys for watching, and again, see you on my next vlog. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe to my channel, and please leave comment below. Okay? So, bye for now. Bye! I love you all.